Welcome to AEGISBODY, your go-to source for body health, bodybuilding, and beauty tips. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, acne. Specifically, we'll be debunking some of the most common myths about acne that you need to stop believing. AEGISBODY. Stay strong, healthy, and beauty. Welcome, my Chanel. Let's dive right into the first myth. One of the biggest misconceptions is that acne is a result of poor hygiene. While it's important to keep your skin clean, overwashing can actually irritate your skin and make acne worse. Acne is more about oil production, clogged pores, and bacteria, not necessarily about how often you wash your face. Stress doesn't directly cause acne, but it can exacerbate it. When you're stressed, your body produces more hormones that can lead to increased oil production and potential breakouts. Managing stress through activities like yoga, meditation, and regular exercise can help keep your skin clear. Another popular myth is that eating chocolate or greasy foods will give you acne. There's no concrete scientific evidence linking specific foods to acne breakouts. However, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote overall skin health. Wearing makeup doesn't necessarily cause acne. The key is to choose non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores and to remove your makeup thoroughly before bed. Clean brushes and applicators regularly to avoid bacterial buildup. Applying toothpaste or other DIY treatments to pimples is a myth that can actually harm your skin. Toothpaste can dry out and irritate your skin, leading to more inflammation. Stick to acne treatments with proven ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, and retinoids. Acne is a medical condition, and it doesn't have to be something you just deal with. There are many effective treatments available. If over-the-counter products aren't working for you, consult a dermatologist for a tailored treatment plan. Let's recap the myths we debunked today. Poor hygiene, stress, diet, makeup, home remedies, and the notion that acne should just run its course. Understanding these myths can help you manage and treat your acne more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any acne myths you want debunked? Leave them in the comments below. See you next time.